Welcome back, everyone, to where we dive into everything automotive and biking. If you're a fan of motorcycles, speed, and everything related to two wheels, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome content. Today, we've got something exciting for you, the highly anticipated 2026 Yamaha R15 V5. Is it worth the hype? Stick around as we take an in-depth look at this beautiful beast from Yamaha. Let's get into it. So, let's start by talking about the bike that has got all the R15 fans buzzing, the Yamaha R15 V5. For years, the Yamaha R15 has been one of the most popular and admired motorcycles in the 150cc segment. With its sharp looks, incredible handling, and overall performance, it has earned its spot in the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. But for 2026, Yamaha has made some bold upgrades, and we've got a lot to cover. First off, let's talk about the design. The R15 has always been known for its sporty aesthetics, and the V5 takes it to the next level. The aggressive stance, the sharp edges, and the compact build make it look like a race-ready machine. Yamaha has given the V5 a complete design overhaul, taking inspiration from its flagship R-Series bikes like the R7 and the R1. The front end is striking with its LED dual headlights that are sleek and futuristic. These headlights not only look great, but also provide excellent illumination for night rides, a feature that was somewhat lacking in the previous models. The aggressive air ducts on the sides, along with the aerodynamic design, give it that MotoGP-inspired look. The tail section has also been redesigned. It's sharper, more compact, and sleek, giving the R15 a more modern appearance. Yamaha has focused on reducing weight, and the new V5 is lighter than its predecessors, which will definitely improve performance and handling. Now, let's dive under the hood, or should I say under the tank, where the real magic happens. The Yamaha R15 V5 is powered by a liquid-cooled 155cc single-cylinder engine. This engine, which has been refined over the years, is known for delivering a perfect balance of power and efficiency. The 2026 version is expected to churn out around 19.5 horsepower, with a peak torque of around 14.7 Nm. One of the standout features of the engine is the variable valve actuation system, also known as VVA. For those of you who are new to this tech, VVA essentially adjusts the intake valve timing to optimize both low-end torque and high-end power. This makes the R15 V5 an absolute joy to ride, whether you're cruising around the city or tearing up the racetrack. In terms of acceleration and top speed, the V5 will take you from 0 to 60 km/h in just a few seconds, and you can expect a top speed of around 150 km/h, which is phenomenal for a 150cc bike. When it comes to performance, it's not just about the engine, it's also about how the bike handles the road. The Yamaha R15 has always been praised for its agility and handling, and with the V5, Yamaha has made sure that this doesn't change. The V5 comes with an upgraded suspension setup, an inverted fork at the front, and a monoshock rear suspension. This combination ensures that the bike remains stable and responsive, whether you're tackling tight corners or zooming down a straight road. Yamaha has also worked on improving the chassis. The frame is more rigid and responsive, making the R15 V5 feel more planted, especially when cornering at higher speeds. This is important because at its core, the R15 is still a sporty bike meant for riders who love precision. The seat height remains relatively low, so it's accessible for riders of different heights. Plus, the ergonomics are dialed in just right, comfortable enough for daily commutes, but also aggressive enough for track days. No discussion about performance would be complete without talking about braking. Yamaha has equipped the 2026 R15 V5 with a dual-disc braking system. The front features a 282mm disc, and the rear comes with a 220mm disc. With the added safety of dual-channel ABS anti-lock braking system, the V5 offers excellent stopping power in both wet and dry conditions. The ABS works seamlessly, helping you maintain control and stability, even in emergency braking situations. It's a crucial feature for any modern motorcycle, and Yamaha has made sure the R15 V5 doesn't fall short in this area. Yamaha hasn't just focused on performance and aesthetics, they've packed the 2026 R15 V5 with plenty of tech to keep you connected and informed. The instrument cluster is now fully digital and offers a lot of information. You'll find the usual suspects: speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, and trip information, But the V5 goes a step further with a shift indicator, a gear position indicator, and a lap timer, which will be useful for track enthusiasts. A significant upgrade is the addition of Bluetooth connectivity. Yes, you heard that right. You can now connect your smartphone to the bike, allowing you to access call and message notifications directly from the display. The V5 also supports navigation, which is a great addition, especially for those long rides. Yamaha has also introduced a new smart key system for the V5, which eliminates the need for a physical key. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience, especially if you're someone who's always on the move. We can't forget about fuel efficiency, right? The R15 V5 is built to be both fast and efficient. Thanks to the new engine management system, it offers improved fuel efficiency compared to its predecessors. Expect around 40 to 45 kilometers per liter, which is pretty impressive for a performance-oriented bike. With a fuel tank capacity of 11 liters, the R15 V5 has a decent range, making it a viable option for both daily commuting and long-distance rides. The improved engine and aerodynamics should give you plenty of time on the road before needing to refuel. Now, let's talk about price. As of the 2026 release, the Yamaha R15 V5 is expected to come in at a slightly higher price point than the previous models, but considering the improvements and new features, it's a fair price. The exact pricing may vary depending on your region, but expect it to be around the Rs 1.80 lakh to Rs 2.00 lakh mark in India, with different variants based on color and features. The V5 will likely come in several color options, including racing blue, thunder gray, and matte black, each with its own unique vibe. There could also be special editions or variants with additional tech features or custom graphics, so keep an eye out for those. Now that we've covered most of the key features of the 2026 Yamaha R15 V5, let's quickly summarize the pros and cons. So, there you have it, folks, the 2026 Yamaha R15 V5. Yamaha has once again delivered an incredible machine that combines style, performance, and technology in a way that's hard to beat. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend warrior, or a track enthusiast, the R15 V5 offers something for everyone. It's a perfect choice for anyone looking for a bike that's both practical and fun to ride. If you're already a fan of the R15, the V5 is definitely worth considering, especially with all the updates and tech features it brings to the table. And if you're new to the R15 lineup, well, this is the perfect time to jump on board. That's all for today's review of the 2026 Yamaha R15 V5. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think of the R15 V5. Are you excited for it, or do you think Yamaha should have done something different? Also, be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.